If your Windows 11 is stuck in the wrong language or you want to add a new language for typing and display, this video is for you. Many people get confused because the language settings are hidden inside a few menus. I'll walk you through the process in a clear and easy way. Open the sub menu and click on Settings. Go to Time and Language. Click on Language and Region. Under the Preferred Languages section, click on Add a Language. Type the name of the language you want, select it, and click Next. Make sure the option Set as my display language is checked if you want Windows to use this language for all menus and system text. Click Install and wait for the language pack to finish downloading. After the language pack installs, Windows may or may not ask you to sign out. If it asks you, simply sign out and sign back in. If it does not ask, that is also completely normal. Windows will still apply the new language automatically. Once the language is applied, look at the top of the language and region page. You will see that the Windows display language has changed to the new language you selected. This confirms that the new language is now active across your system. And that is all you need to do. Your Windows 11 menus and settings will now appear in the language you selected. If this video helped you, tell me in the comments. And do not forget to like this video, subscribe for more simple tech tutorials, and share it with anyone who needs help with this.